How to know if someone has blocked you on Instagram. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can know if someone has blocked you on Instagram. Start by launching your Instagram. Make sure you have installed the latest version so that you won't miss out any new features. After that, you can simply open your Instagram account, and now to see if any person has blocked you or not, just simply search for the person that you want to. After searching for the person, if you can see the profile is visible, then the person has not blocked you. If you search for the person's username and still you won't find the person, then you can say that the person has already blocked you and you cannot send them any messages, and it will show you that this username is not available. So this is how you can show it. You can simply see that their profile is not available and you won't find their post, stories or anything. And if you see things like this, then you should know that the person has already blocked you. So that's how you can know it. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment on the comment section below.